So workbench editor close on file delete controls whether editor showing a file that was open during the session should close automatically when getting deleted or renamed by some other process. Disabling this will keep the editor open on such an event. Note that deleting from within the app will always close the editor and that dirty files will never close to preserve your data. Okay, so close on file delete set to false is actually a good thing, because if you delete the file from outside VS Code, you will keep it here in case it's open. So let's just test that out with main.js. So the settings set to false, so we expect this editor to remain opened. So let's delete main.js, and it is. Right, and if you accidentally delete that file, you can just come to your editor and command save. Your file is back. Awesome. Now, so this is a good thing. This is a really good thing to prevent data loss, right? So if I accidentally delete a file you're working on outside of VS Code, if you set this to true, and let me just copy everything, and I'm just gonna switch to, it doesn't really matter if I'm here or here. Setting set to true, we delete main.js, it closes the editor, so let's put that back. Alright, now the only exception to this is if the file is dirty, right? So if I make some change to the file and now I delete it, it's not going to close the editor, right? So if the file is dirty, you can still recover the file. Now, between the two options, I would much rather have this set to false, because this just doesn't close the editor, and I want that. I want to make sure that when I am deleting stuff, I have fallbacks, right? So if I have the file open and I delete it from outside VS Code, yeah, well, it was a mistake, just save it, it's back. And I would rather have this, I would rather have to click the close button there, or Command W to close the editor. I would rather have that extra step instead of accidentally losing the file and then losing it forever. Now, I know the file goes to the recycle bin, but sometimes sometimes you delete a file from the terminal or some script or something like that happens. So I would rather have this failsafe here. So I'm leaving the setting set to false.